Fun with yarn. Today I'm going to do this beautiful stitch pattern, crochet pattern actually. It's very beautiful and it's only 4 row pattern. We need to chain, we need 4 multiples plus 1 chain, and I'm already get 13 stitches, and I did first row mean I did 2 double crochets for each one each. I know you know this part, and I'm going to start this first row. I'm going to do 1 chain and turn my work, and I'm going to do first single crochet my, and then I'm following this blue one. I need to 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and I need to skip 3 chain, and fourth chain I'm going to do 1 single crochet. Fourth one, 1 2 3 4, fourth chain I'm going to do 1 single crochet, and again I'm going to do 5 chain, 2 3 4 5 chain, and skip 3 chain, 1 2 3. My fourth chain I'm going to do 1 single crochet, and again 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 5, and I skip 3 single chain, 1 2 3, and my fourth one I'm going to do 1 single crochet. Okay, and now in the second row I need chain 5 for up for 3 and 2 for there. 1 2 3 4 5, and turn my work, and I'm going to do 1 single crochet top of this 5 chains, and again 5 chain, 2 3 4 5, and go top of this one, go 1 single crochet, again 5 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 single crochet top of this chain, and go 2 chain, and going to do 1 double crochet in the top of this 3 chain space. 2 3, not 3 chain, the single crochet top of this single crochet. And I'm in my third row is the red color one. Third row I'm going to 1 chain, turn my work, I'm going to do 1 single crochet top of my double crochet, and now I'm going to do 3 chain, 1 2 3 chain, and I'm going to do 1 single crochet top of this 5 chain space. Here again 3 chain, 1 2 3 chain, single crochet top of this 5 chain, again 3 chain, 1 2 3, and I'm going to do third 1 2 3, oh sorry, third chain, 1 2 3, because it's last one I need to find third chain, and I'm going to do 1 single crochet over there. Okay, because it's otherwise it's going wonky, and because we need straight, and now why I'm finding third chain, and I did my 1 single crochet, and now I'm in the fourth row. I'm going to do 3 chain and turn my work, and I'm going to do 3 single crochets in first 3 chain, 1 2 3. This is the first one, but in the other middle part we need to do 4 double crochets in the 3 chain space. We are not doing any chain or anything here, and I'm going to do my middle one. We need 4 four chains, four middles, sorry, four double crochets, four middle ones, two, three, four. Okay, now I am again in the my last chain space, three chain space. I'm going to do three double crochets, one, two, three, and my last chain I'm going to do top of my single crochet. In this here is the last three chain and first three chain, and we are doing three double crochets because we have one here and one here. Why are we are doing three here, but in the middle part three middle part three chain space we are going to do four double crochets. And my last not last, this is the first one again, this is the last one. First again you are going to do again with one um, one chain and one single crochet and five chain single crochet in these spaces like before. I hope you understand what I am telling, and I hope you are enjoying my video. And by the way, I am putting this diagram in my Facebook page if you want to find it. Okay, see you again with another beautiful stitch pattern. Bye bye.